Everyone say wealth is gone, everything. Wealth is gone, nothing is gone. Health is gone, something is gone. But if character is gone, everything is gone. So, teacher can build our character, but technology can't build our character. Teachers are the backbone of our life. They teach us, they not only teach us our education, they teach us each and every aspect of our life. How to live life happily. Here, living in residential school, I believe, teachers are not only the person who teach us every day, evening and in morning, but they are the person who think about us every day, what problem we are facing, and they solve our problems. They love us like their child. So, but technology can't love us. They can't solve our problem. Teacher can build our characteristic. Technology can't. So, teacher can't be substituted by technology. Every student are not so, they don't want to, many students are there who don't want to study, but teacher are the person who make them feel comfortable, make them entertain, and in every class that they get interested in study, but robot or technology can't. They can't make, think about every student, what they want or what the level of understanding of that particular student. But teacher can go to them and understand how they can understand, and they teach them in their own way how the student understand. But technology can't. So technology can't substitute teacher. We can't substitute teacher. They are our guru. We can't substitute them. They will always be our backbone and our helping guide. We can't leave them. They are always, without them we can't do anything in our life. I say this because I'm a student and I have that type of teacher in my life.
My dear audience, first mentioned the point that technology can't give us affection. But there are always parents for us who can give affection, right?
Being in residential school, you have parents here. I don't have. I have teacher.
I'm not talking about residential school. See, in India, majority of the schools are not residential schools.
But there are many schools who is residential school. What about that student who are living in residential school?
There they can have teachers. It just depends on the kind of platform you are.
We are not differentiating it between residential school or day schooling. We are different.
We are saying that because we use different platforms, right? In residential school, the entire scenario is different. So you need people to be beside you. So we require teachers. I'm not like against.
So you are also telling the same thing.
Yeah, exactly. Only in residential schools there can be teachers. Technology can't be there in residential schools. But there are always parents for us who can guide us and friends in the case of affection. But in education, always the boys can replace teachers because they know efficient.
What's about the children who are orphan, who don't have parents? The orphan people have teachers or guides. Mentors are also teachers, first of all.
See, the topic is only about they can replace teachers. I mean, technology can replace teachers in the field of education. You're relating to the emotional quotient of that.
Why teachers help in our every aspect of life, not only in education, they help us in emotional aspect also, in education aspect also, each and every aspect teacher help us. This is my personal experience.
I think you're not understanding my point. 100%.
Now, you told that teachers are ready to face all. They think about our problems and they help us find solutions. And in many cases, I've seen teachers who can't handle their problems and they come and show the stress in our classes by shouting at us or by screaming at us. And teachers not only teach education, they not only educate us but also teach us all the values of life. When you are ready to learn, teachers are there actually. Anything can learn you. Anything can help you learn. Like for example, ant who's carrying a load, that carries double the time of its weight. And when you look at it, you should also understand that even when an ant can carry, you can also carry, and that's not a teacher. You just learned it and you're ready to learn, you can learn anything. It is not meant that teachers should do that.
Every student is not like they want to learn. Some are they are very lazy. They don't care what to do. Like the teacher are the person who make them interested in that thing and make them learn. Some students are not like that. That they from their heart, it's not
student never wants to learn, do you think he'll come to our school?
Yeah, there are many students I can say they are very lazy, but because of teacher. You know, sometimes we like the subject because of teacher, not because we like the subject. Just because teacher is very friendly and we can understand that. That's why we love the subject, not because of subject.
Okay, I never mentioned the fact that subject would, student doesn't come to school. Okay, if you come to a school for not learning subject, why are you coming to school?
There are many reasons. Many parents are forcing, like many here don't want to study, but they are coming because they have to. Now generation have to come to school. It's compulsory.
Now,
And
I can tell you that there are many dropouts, and I can mention a lot of names who have become really big billionaires and multimillionaires without studying, and they don't have their parents didn't have money to fund them or to go to a really good residential school or to any school, and now they're in all Forbes magazines and in the front page now. So how do you again educate them really?
in every successful person, there is one person behind them. They always teach them something
In this
valuable.
case, it's robots. Thank you.
It's not